Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am going to be your host for another Crafty Vision segment. So today I'm coming to you all with a tutorial on how to make those tassel earrings that I showed in a previous video. Here are the items that you will need in order to achieve the look. You're going to need 2 pieces of 12 gauge aluminum wire, 12 inches long, your wire cutters, round nose pliers, and some loopies. Now, in order for you to do this look, you're going to need about 36 loopies, okay? So I'm going to show y'all how I connect mine. I stretch them first, and it doesn't really matter what order you put them in. It's completely up to you. You can do you can make them by color coded, because pretty much everything that you see, you get maybe another one pretty much the same. All right, so what you do is you take your 2 loopies, you put them together, and you take one piece through, and then you pull it just like that. Okay, and you have 3 all together. Okay, so you have 3 all together. Now you're going to need 12 of these. Okay, so I have done some right here, and I'm going to count out 12. So this is 1. I'm going to flip it back this way. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So I have 12, okay? All these beautiful colors. These are really, really beautiful. Now what you want to do is you're just going to be pretty much working with the ends, okay? This is really simple. Once you get all these together, all you're going to be working with are the ends. So you're going to take and put them on your finger just like this. Place them together. And if you want your tassel earrings to be fuller, then add more. And what I mean by that, instead of doing 12, you may, if you want them fuller, you may do maybe 15, or maybe you can even do 20. It's completely up to you. But I have done 12, okay? So I'm just adding them on my finger, and I'm not putting them in any order. Just like this. All right, so once you get it on, this is pretty much what you are going to have. This is going to be, all right, and then what you do next is you take your aluminum wire, you take it through, pull it through like this, and place it in the middle if at all possible, and then you want to bend it. So you want to bend it just like this, okay? And then you want to bend it all the way over like this. All right, so that's pretty much what you're going to have. Now you're going to take whatever piece that you're comfortable with, and you're going to twist it. Okay, twist it over. And then you're going to just start twisting it around. just like this. So you're going to start making some spirals, okay? Now you can make as many as you see fit. You don't have to make as many as I'm making. And right now I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to stop at 6, okay? I'm going to take my round nose pliers, my wire cutters, sorry y'all, and I'm going to come and snip right there. Take that off, my round nose pliers, and just come and squeeze that in, just like that. And this is pretty much what your tassel earring is looking like, all right? Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your fingers and you can push it over to whatever side you want, but I'm going to turn it just like this, and I am going to make a loop, okay? The loop is for when you put in your fish hooks, okay? So I'm going to take it around just like this and bring it around like this and come to the top, all right? And then I'm going to snip it right here. So I'm going to take and snip it just like that, okay? And that's pretty much how your earring, how you connect your fish hook or whatever you're going to be using onto your earring. So now you want to come down to this end and pretty much do the same thing. You just want to take them, okay, take your ends, okay, pull it like that. Alrighty, and my last one, and pull it like this, okay? That would be a gorgeous necklace. Just some ideas I'm putting out there, y'all. Okay, you could put some beads and all that good stuff on there. That'll be another video. All right, so here you have it, okay? And then you want to take your wire, put it through, just like this. Pinch it together. And you're just going to wrap this the same amount of times that you did the first time, just like this. You're going to pinch it down like this. And you're just going to bring one piece up, and that other piece you're just going to let it stay down. And you're going to start wrapping it. And I wrapped that piece 6 times, so we're going to wrap it 6 times. So that's 1, 2, that's 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's 6, okay? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come here. We're going to snip that off like that. Okay? And then, like we did before, we're going to pinch it over and make a loop. A little comfortable loop. Try to make it the same size that you did the first one, if at all possible. Sometimes you could take your pieces and put them up together like this to make sure that they're the same size, okay? Just wrap it around like this, and then you just snip it off with your wire cutters, just like that. Okay, so here you have it. All right, so once you do this, then you take your pieces, and these things they do shed a lot, so, and you're gonna take your scissors, okay, put them together, take your scissors. Got my hand in here. And then take your scissors and come through. Try to get them all on there and then snip it. And then you got yourself a really cute pair of tassel earrings. Now, if they don't come out even, all you do excuse me, if they don't come out even, if they look like they come out, if some of them come out, then you just put them together like this. And you try to snip off the pieces that look like they are longer than the others. And then you still have your gorgeous tassel earrings. Okay, I still see some pieces that's longer, and then you can put them together like this. You can do it however you choose to have them be as close together in length as possible. Okay, all right, so there we have it. Okay, and here you have it. Now, just like I showed y'all the pair, as a matter of fact, here they go right here. This was the first pair that I showed y'all yesterday. Now, if you don't want them to be this long, then you can cut them and you can make them shorter, okay? They don't necessarily have to be this long if that's not what you want. If you want them shorter, then you cut them off, put them together like this and cut them. Try to cut them together if at all possible, and just cut them and make them shorter, okay? But this is the process here. This is how I do it. Everybody have their own way of making items. You may have a way that may be better suited for you, that makes it much easier for you to be able to do, okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. Go make plenty. Like I said, I got these loopers from Michaels, and they are made by Creatology. All right? So, with that being said, until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. Happy crafting, everyone. See ya.